Today, I will show you how to assemble your brand new DAXYS Lizard. For an easier unboxing experience, you might want to gently lay the box down and remove the staples on the sides. In the packaging, you will find two boxes, the white one, which contains the charger, the brown one, which contains the multi-tool and parts required for assembly. Once the bike is out, lift it and separate the front wheel, seat, handlebar and keys by cutting the cable ties. Then remove the protective foam and packaging cardboard. Be careful not to damage anything in the process, especially if using a Stanley knife. Now flip your amazing e-bike upside down. Remove the fork protector and place the wheel in the slot. Fix it in place with the pin, tighten with the screw, and secure with the quick release. Next, loosen the stem bolts and rotate it 180 degrees before tightening the bolts, making sure it's in a perfect T shape. Loosen the stem riser screw located on the underside, adjust the handlebar to the desired height and tighten the bolt. Next, proceed to remove the two stem cover bolts. Place the handlebar in the stem slot and screw the bolts back in to roughly 90%. Adjust the handlebar to the desired position and finish tightening the bolts, then adjust the display and tighten it as well. Install the front light and mudguard as shown. Use an Allen key to tighten the front-facing bolt, then the number 10 socket screw for the screw in the back. Adjust the rest of the front mudguard to the slots on the suspension tube and do the same for the back mudguard. Next, install the pedals, using the arrows as guides for mounting. Use a 15mm wrench to tighten as much as possible. Add the seat and tighten it using the quick release screw. Adjust the seat to match your hip height. If necessary, charge your DAXYS Lizard. Remember, always connect to the battery first, then plug in the charger. To remove the battery, insert the key. Rotate it into the push position. Push it further in, then rotate it to unlock. Lift the saddle by pulling the central lever. Now you can pull the battery out if needed. If desired, install any of the provided accessories: bell, front reflector, wheel reflectors. Congratulations, your Lizard is ready to ride. Have fun, take care, and enjoy your new e-bike.